Hello, this is Kevin here with Pooli, and I'm going to be announcing the biggest release we've done yet this year. That's the 3.0 release. Previous release was 2.6, so it's a big whole unit jump up to 3. And the reason for such a big jump is because we've released a big feature called Ask Pooli. Ask Pooli is a forum that consolidates a lot of the information that's out there on all the forums and the YouTube and the internet stuff about pools. Now you have a place that's in line with your already existing Pooli experience of testing and then finding those answers. Because oftentimes I'm getting all these questions that either I don't have the answer for, or it just seems like the public would benefit from knowing the answer to these questions, similar to a lot of the forums out there. But it doesn't seem to, it's not the easiest thing to go searching the web for all of the answers all the time. So here's the Ask Pooli forum. You can see we've added things like upvoting. So as a software guy, I use a site called Stack Overflow, and I love their methodology of having like a post and then the top answer gets kind of accepted because it gets bubbled up and people upvote the top answer. So that's what I'd like to see here too. So you won't have to spend time sorting through negative stuff. And if perchance you do find something, you can always report things. So report it, and then we will remove the post as especially if it's like an unnecessary post. So it should be a safe environment for you to ask any question about pools and hot tubs and you name it. And hopefully it's a lot of fun and very helpful. We built in this really smart search. It uses some AI stuff to like find out the context. So if I'm looking for algae, it'll give me just the questions about algae, and that's kind of what you want. So if you don't see the answer to your question, you go to ask a question, and the title will be copied in there. And let's say I want to ask, what about yellow algae? Algae. You can also add your own topic, like you can type in fun or something else there. And what's cool, this is what I wanted to show, is that you can post videos. So if you upload a video of your problem or of a sort of question, you click on this button here, you click on link, and then you just paste the link. And we accept any type of YouTube video and put it in a real nice format there so that you can see it in line with text. This is cool id, and you can even add like numbered things or bullets or checklists even. So all of that is for your enjoyment. I mean, it's got a pretty full featured editing thing here. So yeah, that's how you'd submit a question. And now under recent, I should be able to pull in what about yellow algae? Cool. And I can see what my profile looks like. This is also new. It shows your public profile, which will include your profile pic, your stats on Pooli. So like, how experienced is this guy at using Pooli and taking care of his pool, and how many upvotes he's gotten. And then you can also see questions. If you think that this person has a lot of really good answers or questions, you can dial into those things. You can see I just asked this question here. So yeah, that's the Ask Pooli feature. And the next feature I want to talk about is in preferences, change test targets, use middle of target range for dosages. This is toggled off by default, so you'd have to go in here to toggle it on if you want us to suggest the dosages that range to the middle of your targets. So here it shows your recommended ranges for your type of pool, and here's where you've got your actual targets that are set for the app, and you can reset it to those recommended targets, but I've set mine to like between, if I use the middle of my target range, well, some quick math, that's 210. So it'll dose to 210 instead of to 200. That's most evident when you go and look at your pool report, and you'd see here, like, here's calcium hardness 120, here's total chlorine at 0.2. It needs to get between 1 and 5. So what does it tell me? Oh, I need to raise by 2.8, not 0.8, but 2.8. And then it gives you all the options to pick the solution that you like. Second of the features is the units here now are shown in all of the units hopefully you could possibly ask for. And so it won't lead you guessing when you have a cup, but it says ounces, that kind of a thing. And you can go in there and just add. It adds the whatever you see here for your dosage, 0.34 quart. You'll see here it'll automatically select the amount, and you can add it directly to your water. Log that stuff, because then over time it helps you understand your chemistry much better by seeing your monthly demand, by also tracking your logs, and then you can go through your history like I do, and I see like how much did I add in my pool over this amount of time. And you start to get a good idea how to like keep your inventory in check, those kind of things. So I hope you I hope you like this video. I'm going to be posting more soon, and I'll definitely be posting this video on the forum, so it'll be cool to see that get uploaded and hopefully viewed by a few of you. So thanks again. Wish you all the best. Stay safe out there.